Join me as I take on the challenge of painting a mini masterpiece on scrap wood this summer. In this video, you'll learn how to paint beautiful artwork on scrap wood, perfect for adding a personal touch to your summer decor. Many people have unused scrap wood lying around, and they often struggle to find creative ways to repurpose it. This wood can come from old furniture, wooden crates, or even tree branches. You can find it in your backyard, garage, or even at a local hardware store. Scrap wood is a great material to work with because it's inexpensive and readily available. By upcycling scrap wood, you're not only creating something unique but also reducing waste. Scrap wood comes in various shapes, sizes, and textures, making each piece unique. You can use wooden planks, slices, or even small blocks to create your artwork. The natural imperfections of the wood, such as knots and grain patterns, can add character to your piece. When selecting your wood, consider the color, texture, and size of the piece, as well as any imperfections that could enhance your design. As you collect your scrap wood, think about the possibilities. You can create coasters, wall art, or even decorative boxes. The key is to see the potential in each piece and let your imagination run wild. You can combine different pieces of wood to create a unique collage or use a single piece as a canvas for your artwork. We'll go through the materials you'll need, tips for choosing your wood pieces, and some basic painting techniques to help you create your masterpiece. To get started, you'll need some basic painting supplies, such as acrylic paint, brushes, and a palette. You'll also need a sealant to protect your artwork from the elements. When choosing your paint, consider the color palette and finish you want to achieve: matte, glossy, or metallic. The type of brush you use can greatly affect the texture and appearance of your artwork. Natural brushes work well for creating soft, blended edges, while synthetic brushes are better for bold, sharp lines. You can also experiment with different brush strokes and techniques, such as layering or stippling, to add depth and interest to your piece. When it comes to painting on scrap wood, it's essential to prepare your surface first. Lightly sand the wood to smooth out any rough edges or splinters, and then wipe it clean with a damp cloth. This will help the paint adhere evenly and prevent any bumps or texture from showing through. Once your surface is prepared, you can start painting. Begin with a base coat, and then build up layers of color and detail. Watch as I demonstrate a step-by-step process of painting a mini artwork, showcasing the transformation from plain wood to a vibrant piece. I'll show you how to mix colors, create textures, and add patterns to your artwork. You can follow along and replicate the design, or use it as inspiration to create your own unique piece. As you work on your artwork, remember that it's okay to make mistakes. They can often lead to new and interesting ideas. Don't be afraid to experiment and try new things, and don't worry if your piece doesn't turn out exactly as you envisioned. The process of creating is just as important as the end result, and it's all about having fun and expressing yourself. The finished piece can be a beautiful addition to your home decor, or a thoughtful gift for a friend or family member. You can display it on a shelf, hang it on the wall, or even use it as a coaster or hot pad. The possibilities are endless, and it's up to you to decide how you want to use your mini masterpiece. You've seen how easy it is to create art from scrap wood. Remember, it's all about having fun and expressing your creativity. Don't be discouraged if your first attempts don't turn out as expected. Keep practicing, and you'll soon develop your skills and style. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment your thoughts, and check out my other DIY projects for more creative inspiration.